Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to strike through text in Google Documents. Strike through text in Google Docs is a function that's commonly used to show updated ideas or add emphasis. Writers can think of the strike through effect as another text choice to use in their document. Open Google Documents. The first option is fast and easy. Select the text that you want to strike through. Press Alt plus Shift plus 5 on your keyboard. The text will turn strike through. Another option is to use the top tools bar. Go to Format and choose Text from the list. Click on Strike Through to apply it to the text. If you want to disable the strike through, go to Format and choose Text from the list. Click on Strike Through. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!